So my name is Nkoti Mabula, and I work for a local organization in Maseru, Lesotho, and we are called Seinoli Legal Center. So our work involves legally supporting communities that get affected by large infrastructure development projects in the country. We are also focusing on women's rights issues, especially as relates to access to land and the vulnerabilities that women, especially around those areas, face. This week is going to be really a critical learning point and a turning curve for us. Me attending this convening means that we can start engaging, not only as an organization, but I think at the country level as CSOs, start engaging better with issues around children's rights and business and human rights. So it's both a learning curve, but also an opportunity for us to forge those strategic partnerships and collaborations that are going to help us make sure that this is one of the issues that we are not leaving aside. One of the things that I realized was there are a lot of similarities with all of the African countries that are present here. And one of the things that I picked was also with the difficulties that we face as Africans between making sure that we get the investments in, that we get infrastructure built to support economies, but then at the same time we have this impacts, especially on children, that our governments want to sweep under the rug. There's been a lot of discussions also around strategies, advocacy-wise, but also even through litigation, especially through the African human rights mechanisms, and how we can leverage that as CSOs to make sure that we can protect the rights of children. Just in closing, I think it would really be good with us as a country hosting the committee on children's rights. That it would be such a shame that we have the committee and with such a small number of cases that are being directed towards this mechanism, that as a country we don't even have awareness that we are actually hosting the committee, and that there are a lot of activities that we could do to engage with the committee to make sure that children's rights are protected. Speaking from where I come from, I think we are dealing with children's rights issues. As by the way, there are not a lot of civil society organizations that, in terms of programming, actually deal directly. We are all into generally human rights generally, and then mainstreaming important issues such as this instead of having specific programs targeting the issues. So I think it's time that we help to build capacity as CSOs, help build capacity of other CSOs through technical capacity and the strategic partnerships and collaborations. I think that would be my action point.